And we're back with the next video. Guys, after watching my last video on the Toolbox Widget, I kind of realized I wasn't as formative as I needed to be. So today we're going to revisit them, so stick around. Now, in my last video, I wasn't too awful clear, and I apologize for that. First off, I want to start with, they are modular. So, you have a tongue and groove design, so you can interlink them. They all link together actually very well. Now, you can go from one single wrench holder or two, or link them together to all the way to infinity. Now, each one has a neodymium magnet in the bottom. I want to say they're between a 3 to 4 pound pull. So the more that you link, kind of the better pull that you're going to have on it. Now, this is a rubber mat on top of the toolbox, and they link on there, you know, pretty good. Also want to mention they have the orange missing tool indicator, and I also forgot to mention that they have a no BS lifetime warranty. You have a problem with them, if they crack, break, hit them up, get a hold of Toolbox Widget, and they'll get you taken care of. Okay, now I had a question in my last video where I really wasn't, you know, too informative, and I apologize, but I want to demonstrate. I actually had somebody ask me, will these hold raised panel craftsman wrenches, the larger sizes? Well, here's a raised panel 1/4 inch, a Craftsman 19mm raised panel. We've got a larger GearWrench, it's pretty thick, flare nut wrench, a very large SK 1.25 inch, or I'm sorry, 1 1/16 wrench. That holds in there. So even with those in there, they're still linked together, not coming apart. Now, even long wrenches. This is a GearWrench 120 XP, 0° offset with a flex head. You go right in behind them. Now, you can see they're all in there. Get my fat hand out of the way. So guys, gals, there you go. Okay, here's my drawer and all of its ugly, somewhat glory. So let's get started. I may do some time lapse. I may, yeah, you'll just see. Stick around. That's a lot, ain't it? That, I mean, guys, a 68-inch Epic right here is halfway point. I gained almost a half of a drawer back. And out of the boxes that I have one full box left, so there's 14 more wrenches. And then I have a few pieces here, so 6 holders here. It'll be more organized. Just a lot of space saving. I don't feel that I went wrong. But it is what it is. Appreciate y'all joining me today. Check out Toolbox Widget. There's a link in the description. When you go to their, use the link, go over to their website. It's where it'll take you to. Use coupon code ATV10. It's the best coupon code out there. Don't believe me? Ask them. When you buy 4 boxes or more, you get 10% off and free shipping and handling in the U.S. So, you're saving money there again. That's kind of what it's all about, is saving, and helping. Helps you stay organized, helps you gain a lot of real estate back. Now you can get those other wrenches that you were wanting because you've got the room in your box for them. So, like I said, coupon code ATV10, but use that link down there in the description to go over to it. Okay? 4 boxes or more, 10% off and free shipping in the U.S. We'll catch you in the next video. We'll see you.